Time to call for carpet. It's our sweetheart sale.
It's Empire's Sweetheart Carpet Sale. 50% off all our no-mat, no-crush stain-resistant carpets installed next day with no payments till February 1999. That's a sweet deal. And your last chance for a free Wilson basketball. 50% off and no payments till Valentine's Day.
800-588-2300 Empire.
$99 for carpet, hooray! $99 room sale. $99 for hardwood, okay. I'm getting new floors from Empire today.
It's Empire's $99 room sale. Flooring for $99 when you pay for padding and installation.
$99 at Empire today.
$99 room sale.
$99, it's true like they say. Empire can even install it next day.
Don't miss Empire's huge $99 room sale.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
With Empire's low price guarantee, you'll get quality carpet, hardwood, and laminate at a great price. We'll beat any competitive offer guaranteed. Schedule now.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today. I'm wondering why you haven't called Empire. You know you need new carpeting and there's no use putting it off. The sooner you get it, the sooner your place will look better and the sooner you'll feel better about it. And nobody gets it to you sooner than Empire. You'll have it in 72 hours or less. You'll have a free Bissell shampoo or two if you order 2 rooms. And Empire's credit plan gives you 60 days to make your first installment payment. You've forgotten a number? Here's a hint. Call now. You know whose number this is, don't you? We're the people who can get your new carpet delivered and installed in one day. That means if you call Empire today, you can have carpeting tomorrow. Brand name carpeting from $6.95 installed with padding. In one day. Empire today, carpeting tomorrow. Empire! Call us, day or night.